In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to your videos on Wistia, making your content more accessible and engaging for a wider audience. Let's walk through this process together so you can easily incorporate captions into your video work. First, start by logging into your Wistia account. Once logged in, you have the choice to either upload a new video or select an existing one. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to the Media's page. Here, you need to scroll down until you find the Transcript tab. This tab is your gateway to adding subtitles to your content, an essential step if you're looking to make your material more inclusive. With this tab open, let's talk about uploading your subtitle file. You'll see an ellipsis menu, those three little dots we often find in digital interfaces, just beside the transcript section. Click on it to reveal the option to upload a transcript. The formats that are acceptable for this upload include SRT or VTT. However, there's a little note to keep in mind. If you upload a VTT file, Wistia will automatically convert it into the SRT format, which is the standard for subtitle files. It's crucial that you prepare your file correctly before uploading. Ensure it's UTF-8 encoded for proper processing within Wistia. When it comes to SRT formatting, the structure is important. Your file should follow the correct SRT formatting, starting with index numbers, and then have timestamps following this layout: hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. HMMM, SS, S, HMM, S. After that, add the relevant text lines. Don't forget to leave a blank line after each caption block. This meticulous attention to detail will ensure your captions display correctly. After you have successfully uploaded your file and it has passed validation, the next step is straightforward. Click Save. Once your transcription file is saved, the next part of the process is all about customizing the viewer controls. Navigate over to the Customize panel where you'll find the Controls tab. In this section, enabling captions by activating the CC button is key. This makes subtitles readily accessible to any viewer who might need or want them. And to take it a step further, you have the option to set captions to be on by default. This default setting can be particularly useful if your audience typically relies on captions for better comprehension, or if your video content deals with complex topics that might benefit from additional text support. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to add subtitles to your video on Wistia. Not only does this enhance the accessibility of your content, but it also broadens your audience, making sure everyone can enjoy and understand your videos. Thanks for watching, and happy subtitling.